Unfortunately, because of the worldwide coronavirus epidemic, this election has a unique set of challenges. This section will walk you through the supplies and additional procedures the Board of Elections has put in place to keep you and the voters safe on Election Day. To comply with the Ohio Secretary of State's Health and Safety Directive, the Board of Elections is providing the additional supplies for your polling location. For precinct election officials, we're providing reusable face masks and face shields. The Ohio Secretary of State has mandated that all PEOs wear face masks while serving the voters. For your polling location, we provide spray and towels to wipe down surfaces. It's important that you spray the towel and then wipe down the surface. For the various screens at your location, we provide alcohol wipes to sanitize the screens. Please only use alcohol wipes on the various screens at your location. For the safety of voters, we provide hand sanitizer, as well as disposable masks if a voter needs one. Voters are strongly encouraged to wear face masks during the voting process, but are not required to. Your polling location needs to be set up in an alternate manner. When voters enter the location, a table should be placed for voters to sanitize their hands, grab a face mask if they do not already have one, and grab a pen that will be used to sign their name, make selections on digital screens, and fill out their manual ballot if they so choose. All voters should take a pen through the entire voting process. Once voters pass that initial table, all the sign-in stations need to be separated and laid out in a manner that allows for social distancing amongst the precinct election officials. The provided floor marking dots should be placed in a manner that allows a 6 feet distance between voters. They can also be positioned in a manner that directs voters to the next location. Voters continue amongst the path after signing in to either the digital booth or a manual booth. While the Safe Cart has 4 digital booths signed in, only 2 digital booths should be open for this election. The 2 booths on the end provide appropriate distance for voters to use in a safe manner. The 2 booths on the other side need to remain closed on Election Day. Manual booths, both the freestanding and the additional tabletop booths, should be set up with additional distance to provide safety for the voters. The submit scanners should also be separated at least 6 feet so that while voters are at the stations, they can have proper social distancing. We know that these guidelines present challenges for your location, but we ask that you do your best to set up your location keeping the safety of the precinct election officials and voters in mind. The coronavirus pandemic is an evolving situation. Additional last-minute procedures may be included with your polling location supplies.